Verso Corporation today announced it will permanently close its paper mill in Luke, Maryland, in response to the continuing decline in customer demand for grades of coated freesheet paper produced at the mill, along with the rising input cost, a significant influx of imports, and rising compliance costs and infrastructure challenges associated with recent environmental regulation changes. The closure, which is expected to be complete by June 30th, will reduce Verso's coated freesheet production capacity by approximately 450,000 tons, reducing total annual paper production capacity to approximately 2.7 million tons. It is unfortunate that we had to make the decision to close the Luke mill, but the continuing decline in demand for the grades of paper manufacturing there left us no choice but to close this facility that has struggled with profitability for a number of years, said Verso Interim Chief Executive Officer Leslie T. Lederer.
My dad was really close with a lot of those men, and it's just about the community sticking together and watching out for each other, even though we're all going through a horrible time.